Hello and welcome to our channel, where we discuss the latest trends and developments in the world of finance. In this video, we will be exploring the topic of cryptocurrency and how it is shaping the future of money. Part 1. What is cryptocurrency? Cryptocurrency is a digital asset designed to work as a medium of exchange that uses strong cryptography to secure financial transactions and verify the transfer of assets. Unlike traditional currencies, cryptocurrency operates independently of a central bank and is decentralized, meaning it is not subject to government control or interference. Part 2. Advantages and disadvantages of cryptocurrency. One of the main advantages of cryptocurrency is its security, as it is protected by strong encryption technology. Transactions can also be completed quickly and cheaply, without the need for intermediaries such as banks. However, there are also disadvantages to consider, such as the volatility of cryptocurrency prices, the potential for fraud and scams, and the lack of regulation in some markets. Part 3. How cryptocurrency works. Cryptocurrency transactions are recorded on a public ledger called the blockchain, which is a decentralized and distributed database that stores information across a network of computers. Each transaction is verified by other users on the network, and once verified, the transaction is added to the blockchain. This process is known as mining, and it involves using powerful computers to solve complex mathematical equations. Part 4. Examples of cryptocurrency. There are currently thousands of different cryptocurrencies in circulation, with Bitcoin being the most well-known and widely used. Other popular cryptocurrencies include Ethereum, Ripple, and Litecoin. Each cryptocurrency has its unique features and characteristics, such as the speed of transactions, level of security, and supply limits. Conclusion. In conclusion, cryptocurrency is an innovative and exciting development in the world of finance, offering advantages such as security, efficiency, and decentralization. However, there are also risks and challenges to consider, such as volatility, fraud, and regulation. As cryptocurrency continues to evolve, it will be interesting to see how it transforms the future of money. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more informative videos on finance.